So in this example, you're given that f of x is a cubic polynomial and you're given 4 informations. When divided by x plus 3 and x plus 4, the remainders are zeros. And when divided by x plus 5, the remainder is 4. X plus 6, the remainder is 6. So if that is so, what is the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 7? So how can we use these informations to get the answer? So f of x is a cubic polynomial and when divided by x plus 3 and x plus 4, the remainders are zeros. That means x plus 3 and x plus 4 are factors of p of x or factors of f of x. So can I write f of x as x plus 3 times x plus 4 times, what is the other factor? So I know that x plus 3 and x plus 4 are 2 factors and f of x is a cubic polynomial. So what will be the quotient that is remaining here? The quotient has to be a linear, right? Because already the quadratic has been covered. So let us assume that the remaining factor is of the form ax plus b. So I'm assuming f of x to be x plus 3 times x plus 4 times ax plus b. Now I am having 2 unknowns. If I can find 2 equations and solve them, I can get these numbers. So 2 informations are left now. So first, x plus 5, the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 5 is nothing but f of minus 5. So let us put x is equal to minus 5. So f of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1 into minus 5a plus b. And f of minus 5 is given as 4. So this is equal to 4. So minus into minus gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled 2 times. This implies minus 5a plus b is equal to 2. Next, let us go to this equation. When x is equal to minus 6, so f of minus 6, which is equal to 6, can be written as minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3, minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 times minus 6a plus b. This implies this minus and minus gets cancelled, 3 2s are 6 and 6 gets cancelled, minus 6a plus b is equal to 1. So you got 2 equations. Just try to solve them. Subtract one from the other. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. So minus 5 plus 7 is 2, minus 6 plus 7 is 1. Hence f of x is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 4 times 1 and 7. Just need to put them x plus 7. Now if you're asked to find the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 7. So as you can very clearly see, x plus 7 is a factor of f of x. Hence the remainder which is equal to f of minus 7 will be equal to 0. Thank you.